Hello everyone, so this is Karthik Kumar and I hope all of you are doing good and keeping yourself and your family healthy and safe. So I'm coming on YouTube after such a long time. So in this video I'm going to share the welcome kit that Union Bank of India gave to all of its newly inducted POs. So first of all, this is the bag, a pretty good bag that it gave to all of its POs. So you can see the bag is from Jack and Jones and you can see the Union Bank logo here. Now inside the bag there is a box which I'm going to show. This is basically the welcome kit that Union Bank of India gave to all of its POs. Now I'll open it and show what are the contents inside. So you can see the box is very nice, and when you open the box, here it is a tie with a Union Bank logo. Then there's a keychain, and here's the logo which we can put on a shirt, basically a badge. Then this is a diary, a good diary, and here is a pen with a Union Bank insignia. Then coming to the second compartment, you can see here it is a battery operated water bottle. You can see your temperatures here, and the next is a charger with a mobile holder. You can basically charge the mobile phones or your speakers and anything else. Now this is the coffee mug. Basically it's a coffee mug in which you can put your coffee and drink it. So Union Bank knows how much pressure there is in the bank, so they have given that probably. And this is the wallet that they have given. And for ladies also it's the same. Instead of this wallet there's a bigger wallet there, and there's no tie in the ladies wallet. Apart from that there's everything else. So this was the video guys. I hope all of you like it, and if you do so, please subscribe to my channel, and please like the video and comment down your thoughts about the video. And if you are also a part of Union Bank of India and have received this box, then please comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video guys. So till then, have a good future guys. Bye, see you.